Look at oil. Big decision from OPEC today. I'm not quite sure I understand it. They said they're going to increase production by 600,000 barrels a day, but the price, you'd think it would go down when you produce more. No, it's gone up nearly 4% to $68 a barrel. John Hofmeister with me now, former Shell oil president. Ignore the kerfuffle about OPEC for a minute, because my opinion is that cheap oil is here to stay, thanks to our wonderful people from Texas, the frackers. What say you?
We're headed for higher oil prices over the longer term, Stuart. I'm sad to say that, but it's the reality.
Why? Why?
The decision today by OPEC was the sleeves off their vest. It was a mild appeasement to the president's request for more oil. The reality is global demand continues to increase. The U.S. can only produce but so much. It is not an unlimited supply coming from the U.S. We already have a constipated distribution system where we can't get production out of Texas or out of North Dakota in ways in which we would like to, which means pipelines. We have states that make it nearly impossible to build the pipelines. We're out of staff. We can't find truck drivers. There is a limit to how much the oil industry can do unless, and this is a big unless, if we switch to natural gas transportation fuels, Stuart, then you're right. Well, we would have cheap oil
we're not going to do
forever.
that in the short. Well, we're not going to do that in the short term. I know that's what you want, but we're not going to do that in the short term. So if you say I'm wrong, cheap oil is not here to stay. You say the price of oil is going to keep on going up. Does it get back to $100 a barrel at some point?
That's what OPEC wants. They want between 80 and 100. That's why it was such a slight increase in production, because their goal is 80 to 100. Look, Iran, and particularly Iran, but also the Saudis and also the Russians, they depend upon this crude oil to pay all their bills. And they can't pay their bills at a mere $70 a barrel. They really need more than that, and they're going to work their way back. Remember, these are pirates. A cartel is an act of piracy on those who are the victims of the cartel. So this is the Barbary pirates all over again in the 21st century, and that's the way it's going to be. So nobody should think of OPEC as our friend.
So if you're right, I mean, look, I don't know whether you're right or wrong, but if you're right, I should put my money into the stock of big oil companies and big pipeline companies. That's where the money's going to be made, right?
A lot is going to be made because U.S. demand continues to grow as well as global demand.
All right, well, the market is bearing me out at the moment, or bearing you out, I should say, because the oil companies are, all of them, pretty much straight up, and so are the pipeline companies. Hofmeister, you're all right, despite your prediction, and we will see you again soon. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.